welcome back to yet another vlog. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you, those who have subscribed to my channel, and those who haven't, please do. Actually, this is the second take. First one which I had took earlier, recorded no audio because my microphone cable wasn't working. So this is my second take, and today we'll be painting our saddle stay. Yes, we could have got it painted from a professional, but hey, we have to waste a week off. So this is a very fine way to do it. We had made some preparations by adding the masking tape and cutting the camouflage pattern. Hello guys, welcome back. It's day 2 and we have achieved symbiosis.
He's achieved symbiosis. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? He's achieved symbiosis.
Just joking. So yes, we have painted our saddle stays. This is how it is looking now. Let's just take a look. So this is how it is looking now. It is in white and silver pattern of the camo. I don't know if it's visible in camera or no, but it's looking really nice. So there's still some work to do. These will go black, these will go black, and only this part will remain in the pattern, which will make it stand out from the rest of the parts of the bike. Once we've painted this black, we'll fit it on the bike and see how it looks. So see you on the other side. Hello guys, welcome back. We have completed all the painting process. I know this is not the best condition to shoot in. We don't have a week off tomorrow, so we have to complete the vlog today. So without further ado, let's see how the saddle stays are looking. I hope you have liked what we have done. This is still not completed. We need to add a clear coat on it. We're going on a ride in the first week of February, where undecided. This is just a preparation. I already have saddle bags and tank bags, so we won't be buying that. But yes, I guess we'll be buying a windshield for the bike. Yes, and pretty much it's all done. That we have the saddle bags, we have the saddle stay. We'll be buying the windshield and all set to go. So, and yes, I would also like to thank each and every one of you, those who have subscribed to my channel. Those who haven't, please do. So that's it for today. Until next vlog, take care. Bye bye.